SAN account versus demo account. Which one is the best to trade with while you are learning Forex trading? Watch till the end. I will start with the difference between SAN and demo account. Demo account is a virtual trading account that doesn't require money for trading, but everything is virtual including the profit, so you cannot withdraw it. If you lost all your virtual money on the demo account, you can freely deposit it back and fill what amount you want. Traders can use a demo account to learn Forex with no risk. Meanwhile, a SAN account is a type of account offered by a broker, and the balance of the SAN account is the same as a penny, which is 100 times smaller than standard money. But not every broker offers a SAN account, so you need to search which one has the SAN account. Back to our topic. Which one is better to use if you are a beginner who is just learning Forex trading? Well, for the sake of the maturity of trading psychology, I would say that learning to trade with a SAN account is better than demo. Why? Here are the reasons. First, SAN accounts give you real experience in the world of trading. A SAN account, even though it's smaller than standard, will give a real trading experience, especially in the trading psychology side. You will truly feel the real thing, the ups and downs of your emotions while trading, experiencing fear and greed, and you will learn how to deal with that. Such things that you will not get from trading with a demo account, because no emotion is involved there. Second, trading with a SAN account is trading with real money but low risk. Since the SAN account is 100 times smaller than a standard account, say you start with $10. The shown balance on your MT5 will be $1,000, meaning you are right now learning how to manage $1,000 but with risking just $10. Just in case you lose, it's not a big deal, isn't it? Third, choosing SAN rather than demo as a first step learning trading tends to make traders more fluent when they level up their trading account into standard or beyond, because traders have learned how to control the trading emotions and how to manage risk when they learn in a SAN account. No matter if only trade with tiny capital, because capital is just a number, and the more important capital is your trading knowledge. If you can be a profitable trader in a tiny account, you will always be profitable no matter how much balance you trade. Just copy the strategy and play it in the bigger trading account. Your profit will be bigger as well, right? But guys, please take note that not every broker offers a SAN account, so you should seek which one has a SAN account. No worry guys, save your time seeking them. Just sit back and pick from my recommendation. I wanna show you a broker list where I only pick them into my list if they have a good specification and are beneficial for retail traders like us. So, no need to find a good broker by yourself guys. Just pick from the list, okay? The links of each broker I wanna mention are provided in the description. So, if you think a broker brand is suitable for your needs, just find the link below and open an account. Start with the first broker, exness. It's a pioneer of unlimited leverage, were recently followed by several brokers. And the good news is that the unlimited leverage can also be used in the SAN account. Exness has a super thin spread, especially on their pro accounts, the thinnest spread broker I ever tried. Super fast withdrawal, usually takes 2 until 5 minutes. The deposit at Exness starting from $10, spread from 0.3 pips, no trading commission, and leverage is 1 to unlimited. It's unlimited leverage pioneer, bro. And of course, swap free. The second broker is HFM. HFM is one of the notorious Forex brokers in the world that has international regulations. It has been serving traders for dozens of years. One of the trusted Forex brokers that has many advantages such as thin spread, served in 27 languages, swap-free, popular copy trade app, and much more. The deposit at HFM starting from 0, spread from 1.2 pips, no trading commission, and the maximum leverage is 1 to 2000, and of course swap free as well. The third broker, and it's the last one, the broker is FBS. FBS is a huge and reputable Forex broker, well known all over the world. FBS is committed to giving comfortable trading services, easy to access and useful for traders. FBS provides a lot of free trading tools for their traders, professional community, winning more than 90 prestigious awards, making it one of the best forex brokers in the world. The deposit at FBS starting from $1, the spread starting around 0.9 pips, no trading commission, and the maximum leverage is 1 to 3,000, and of course swap free. So that was a list of 3 forex brokers that offer send accounts but with good conditions for traders. Just to remind you guys that links of each broker are in the description. Go check there and click that link to register on which broker you like. And finally, that's all for today's video. I hope this video helps you find a perfect send broker. To join my Forex Signal group and lifetime trading consultation, follow and send a message to my Instagram @udforex. Make sure you always support me guys by clicking that subscribe button. Until next time.